Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error fix 0x80073cfa error when uninstalling apps on Windows. It may be caused by system permission issues, corrupted files, or Windows Store problems. Let this get started. Step 1. Run WSReset Tool. Open the search menu and type WSReset. Click the WSReset result to run the tool. A blank command prompt window will open. Wait a moment until it closes automatically. Once it's finished, check if your issue is resolved. Step 2. Use command prompt and DISM. If the issue persists, open the search menu again and type CMD. Right-click on command prompt, then select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the command prompt window, paste the following command and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This might take a few minutes. Next, paste the following command and press Enter. Again, wait for the process to finish. Once done, close command prompt. Restart your computer to apply the fixes. That's it. That's how you fix error 0x80073cfa in Windows Store. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you out. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.